everybody, that's the 576 Locomotive strike, making its first appearance at the Union Station Hotel, or Union Station tracks, since 1952. The Yankees won the World Series that year, by the way, in case you're interested. And if you're not, that's too bad, because I just said it. Anyway, it's supposed to blow its whistle any minute now. Here I sit in a bin full of thistle. I'm waiting for them to blow that whistle. Okay, there they go. For your entertainment, we have birds flying around. Traffic, demon brewing, as I like to call it. As the street rolled up, right around the birds. About to go here. So now everyone starts yelling out "woo" on command like the robots, and everyone, people can't think for themselves. Anyway, there you go, folks. The blowing of the whistle. Don't be a whistle. If you're gonna blow something, blow a whistle, or your loved one. Toot toot toot.